everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Melanade Beauty. Yes, I am back with another hotel luxury inspired video. You all really enjoyed my capsule bedding routine where I go more in depth on what textiles to use for your bedding to achieve that luxury hotel look. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve that look not only with your bedding, but in other important aspects in your bedroom. I've broken it down in 5 easy steps that I guarantee will instantly impact your space and elevate your bedroom. And of course, I'll be keeping it super affordable as well as throwing in a discount code for you all to use, which I will be talking about shortly. So let's get started with tip number 1. So for starters, I'd like to let you all know that I finally have a mattress protector cover. I know a lot of you weren't concerned when I did not use one in my previous video. My mattress is fairly new, which is why I didn't think to use one before, but I am so happy that I have one now. Once you have selected a good pair of quality sheets for your bed, a great tip for taking it up a notch is to press iron your sheets, at least at the top where they're most exposed. This will help you achieve those clean and crisp lines similar to a hotel. And for the key essential piece to any bedding is our comforter. Depending on how much quality you prefer in your comforter, they can be very pricey, which is why I'm so happy to be partnering with CAPSULE for the portion of this video. They were so kindly enough to send me a few items from their site, including this white down and feather fiber comforter. CAPSULE focuses on luxury hotel quality at very affordable prices. They have a wide range of styles and colors to choose from, including bed sheets, duvets, pillows, quilts, and more. They also sent me these fluffy down and feather pillows with a fun neon green piped edge. Now these pillows are definitely giving me hotel vibes. They are so soft. You all know that I like my bedding upsized, so I got these in a size king. I believe getting a size king comforter or pillows for your bed can definitely make your bed look more luxurious and fluffier. I love how that neon green color pops, but to keep them protected, I thrifted these pillowcases with this velvet detailing. It's small details like this that make a hotel room look luxurious. And the final item that they sent me is this super plush thermal fleece blanket in the color chocolate brown. It's a little something extra to put at the foot of your bed for those colder nights. And as you can see right out of the packaging, this plush blanket was so soft and instantly luxurious looking already. So I went on and paired this chocolate brown fleece with another throw with a striped and textured pattern just to break up all that white but still have a tailored look. I'll be sure to link all items below as well as my discount code MelanadeBeauty15 where you can get 15% off your order, so please check them out if you want to save even more on affordable quality bedding. Your curtains play a very important role when it comes to style and design. Hotels are known for their long, sleek, and neatly pleated drapery. But obviously you're not here to invest in high-priced custom drapes, which is why I'm showing you how you can achieve a similar look with these Target curtains and a simple toilet paper roll hack. Note that I am choosing 95-inch panels. You want your curtains to be from floor to ceiling if you want that luxe look. This will give the illusion of high ceilings in your bedroom. Now you shouldn't hang them as they come. You have to do a little finessing. Right now they are limpy, wrinkled, and dull. So I found this hack on Pinterest where you take toilet paper rolls, give them a single cut, and cuff them around your curtain rod every other gap. Now they look fuller, and this will also help train in uniform nice pleats. As you can see, the before and after, it makes such a big difference. But they are still wrinkled, so we have to freshen them up a bit. I like to use this handheld steamer, only $15 at Walmart, and it works like a charm. I'll only be using distilled water in this steamer to avoid any mineral buildup. Now here is the before with no paper rolls and completely wrinkled out of the packaging versus this fresh, clean, neatly pleated look. Tip number 3 is decorating with neutral, soft colors or colors that are neutral to you. I prefer to use light and warm wood tones and natural textures. I also like to incorporate black to contrast well with all of the white that I have going on in my bedroom to give it an even balance. I believe less is more, so it is key to keep your decor items at a minimum and not cluttered. You'll never see a hotel with overly cluttered decor pieces on every shelf. I think by just adding these 3 decor pieces, they instantly look more exclusive and luxurious, but in a subtle way. Don't forget to dress up your nightstands. I pair these 2 vases, one from Target and one I DIY'd. They both have those nice muted earth tones. And on this nightstand, I just have a decorative vase, my favorite candle, and a source of lighting. Now this next tip is fairly simple if you have the space, and it is to add a soft armchair or love seat in a corner. This not only offers additional seating, but it makes your bedroom more welcoming and inviting. Hotels strategically map out their floor plans to have those multi-purposeful areas to lounge, study, or read. This way, their guests will less likely need to leave their room. And now this last tip is all about the smell goods. Here are a few of the room sprays and fabric sprays that I use, but I'm going to be showing you how you can DIY your own with a few simple ingredients. You'll want to use witch hazel because it is gentle on the skin, and you'll be needing some distilled water, your choice of fragrance oil. I have sandalwood, as well as some natural lavender. So I'm going to be honest and tell you that I don't have exact measurements or a specific recipe. I'm kind of just eyeballing it, so I filled up my spray bottle with about halfway water, and I'm going to be adding in about a 3/4 cup of witch hazel, a heaping amount of fragrance oil because this one isn't that strong, and some lavender I'll be adding to the mix. I did warm up this distilled water for this spray because I wanted to really activate the scent of this lavender that I've had stored in a container for a while. And I'm just going to twist on the top and give it a really good shake. This linen spray smells so fresh and light, and the smell actually lingers once you've sprayed for a pretty decent amount of time. And I'm spraying it all over my curtains, my bedding, and on that armchair. Thank you all so much for watching. Please sound off in the comments below on which tip that you totally agree with that will make your space feel more like a hotel. Remember to use my discount code for Cast and Text so you can start saving money on your bedding. I'll also have it linked in the description box below. And as always, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one, as well as clicking that notification bell so you won't miss them. So until next time, bye!